Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable Dolby Atmos on your DREAME 43Q100 TV. First, press the gear button to open the quick settings menu. Then navigate down to sound, open the sound menu, and then scroll down to Dolby Audio Processing. Enable this feature by switching the toggle to the right, and this will automatically enable Dolby Atmos. So if you go to Dolby Audio Processing, you will see that the Dolby Atmos is enabled, and we cannot change it unless we change the sound mode to user defined at the very top of the sound menu, and then return to Dolby Audio Processing settings. Then we will be able to manually enable or disable Dolby Atmos in this menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.